Fade that down for dramatic effect. Let's stop that music. Hey, I want to stop you. There we go. All right, get that chat room back up. Kevin, Donald, Alejandro's over here. Oh, wow. Alejandro's new to this stream. Welcome. All right, I think my camera isn't... I feel like the brightness of my camera is not good. Hold on. Let's fix this. Live fixing. I didn't want to go to the support page. Nope. Bring that back. Alright, let's fix this. Live fixing. No. Configure video input. Let's see here. I guess more exposure. Ooh! Yeah. There you go. A little bit brighter. No, I look super shiny. White balance is good. Yeah, a little bit warm. Okay, I think that's good. Alright. Yeah, the reason why you see XSplit in the shot is because I'm trying to make the chat room a little bit bigger. So, yeah, font size and whatnot. Or maybe I should make it smaller. Let's see here. Let's do this. Get that going. And make this bigger. Alright, cool. At least for this part. Yeah? The other way. Community, right there. Hello. Hi, guys. Thank you for joining me today. Yeah. So, if you're new to this stream, what I do is just build stuff in Webflow. And I started doing this stream because I was like, I want to... one part laziness, another part efficiency, I guess. And, so, anyways, I've been streaming on the official Webflow YouTube channel for over 2 years now, and finally I said, okay, I want to stream on my own because I've been doing tutorials, long form tutorials, and I would just record myself using my vlogging camera, and then I would edit it, and just to make it a little bit faster so people can learn from it. And then one day I thought, well, I want to redo my website, my own personal site, because I keep telling people, hey, your portfolio site, your personal site, you got to work on it. You got to make sure that it tells your personal brand. And I even made a video about it on my YouTube channel. If you look at my past videos, something about how to make your portfolio stand out. And I say stuff like you need to you need to make it show your personal brand, and a lot of stuff that I wasn't really doing, but I wasn't really doing on my own portfolio site. So that's why I decided to redesign it. And then I was like, man, editing takes a long time. Why don't I just stream it? I'm good at that because I've been doing it for 2 years. Might as well. And so that's when I started. And then I really didn't think there would be more than 2 people in the chat room because I don't have much time to do it in the day because I have a family. And so I'm like, no one's really going to watch at night. And then lo and behold, there's like 5 of you right now. So thank you guys so much. It really means a lot to me that you would take time out of your day just to watch me build something. So hopefully you get something out of it. And if you don't, then thank you so much for at least stopping by. If you do, please hit subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's all learn together. Okay, again, thanks to Alejandro, Donald, Kevin, and Matt. I think Matt is new to the stream. So yeah, let's go. So actually, before I get into my portfolio build, the 2 people, Luciano wanted me to review his personal site because he has he was like, hey, can you review my site? And I was like, can I review it during the stream tonight? And he's like, yeah, sure. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to review a little bit of the UX of this portfolio site and the overall concept. He told me that he's not done with it. Totally understand. A lot of people show me their unfinished work on the Webflow stream, and I'll do the same thing here where I'm just going to take it as it is right now. And if you're still working on it, that's totally fine. And if you're in the live chat room right now and you want me to review your site, put it in the chat room right now. Just, put it in. And I think YouTube live chat will will block your links. So instead of putting .com, just put the word dot in parentheses. And then, yeah, I'll just copy paste it. All right. So here we go. So Luciano. Okay, let's refresh this for the full effect. All right, so he built this inside of Webflow, and this is his portfolio site. Okay, so Luciano, if you're in the live chat room right now, here's my review. And if you're just watching the recording, here you go. So first off, your intro, your page load, interaction, smooth, love it. The video. Oh, Luciano, hi, welcome. If this background video is really awesome, I like it. But here's the thing: when I first look at it, you're a user experience designer and a space-time geek. I totally get that you're a space-time geek. I don't get that you're a user experience designer. Okay, but my first thought is, how do those 2 connect? Because user experience designer is obviously the career path you're taking. Space-time geek sounds like a hobby or something to just get immersed into. Okay, so how do these play together? That makes you different, and that's what I always say in that old video I made, how to make your portfolio stand out. Is what is it about you, your personal story? What is it about you that makes you different? And everyone has a different career path. Everyone has a different story. Everyone grew up differently, but found their way into web design, UX, UI, web development. Everyone found their way here, but how? And that's what sets you apart from everyone else. It's not. I really, really, not really hate, but I just wish, I hope people who made portfolio sites that just said, and again, I'm not making fun of you, Luciano. I'm just trying to push you forward into making yourself look better on the internet. So I'm not a fan of people who say, here's my name, here's what I do, here's my work. What is it? Okay. And so as I scroll down, that's really cool. Really smooth. I think you're still working on interactions here because that kind of glitched. Or maybe it was me. Let me try again. Yeah, there was a glitching, so that's something you're working on. So, UX designer based in Brazil. Hey, JP, our new brand designer is from Brazil. Cool. Currently majoring in economics. I love how clean everything looks. Okay, but again, this basic. How many other UX designers are based in Brazil? How many? A bunch, right? But here, you push it back with your type hierarchy. I'm a self-taught designer with a monstrous curiosity. That right there sets you apart. And when I was reading this, I was like, this connects with Space-Time Geek and connects with user experience. So maybe something right here, Lucian, a geek with a monstrous curiosity. Okay, maybe something like that, because that's your story. That's what makes you different. Okay, and space and the study of space is all about being curious. Science is all about being curious into something and just studying it so deeply that you just get lost until you find an answer, which then creates even more questions. But that I too love space exploration, but I don't know anything about science. And so yes, I totally understand that. Now here's your work. I love this. I like how you're not just showing screenshots in a box, they're coming out of the boxes. That's really cool. So everything is really clean. Okay. One thing I would ask is, what if you played around with just subtle gradients? Okay, like for example, when you get down here, maybe it's a subtle gradient to something else, like a very, very dark blue. All right, but back on your personal brand, when I went to your about page, I was like, there it is, there it is. See, a lot of people like to hide their personal brand on the about page, the page that you have to go to for an extra click. And so again, how to find your homepage copy is you write your about me page, and so you've done it, and take your about me page and shrink it down to 2 sentences or less. All right, and I think you've done that right here. Okay, I have a very intense curiosity, and learning new things is what motivates and inspires me. I'm constantly pursuing knowledge. I like to consider myself an always learning and general soul. Okay, so I think again, intense curiosity, in learning new things. Something here. Let's see. Recently found out user experience. Yeah, something in here should go on your homepage. Okay, not just your name and your career path and your hobby, but in my opinion, it's like you're Luciano and you have this intense curiosity, which makes you look for results to make whatever the digital product is even better. Because user experience it's not user experience, it's human centered design, right? That was the first name of it. So you have an intense curiosity on how humans interact with digital products. Yeah, okay. So, Alejandro says, I would say infinite curiosity is a better word to connect it with space. Oh, look. This is why I love the design community, man. Good job, Alejandro. Luciano, right there, man. Right there. Infinite curiosity. And just leave it like that. it like infinite curiosity, and then that would be like your first line, and then your second line is your name, and the third line is user experience designer and space-time geek. Alejandro, thank you so much. All right, but other than that, dude, I love how clean it is. Just show off your personal brand. You got this. All right, and maybe a photo of yourself. I don't even see a photo of yourself on your about page. And your dude, your painting, your digital painting is nuts. This is nuts, dude. Great job. All right, I'm done. Next, Ben Eisenman wanted me to review his site on the stream, and it's funny because Ben was an intern over at Webflow, and so this is what he's doing now. So let's check out his. If you haven't been to his site, it's eisenman.me. And it's been on, I think he submitted it, someone's submitted it on Reddit, web design subreddit, and also on Designer News. And so check this out. As it scrolls down, it changes based on what project or what the blue line is on. All right? That's sick. That's different. All right? And so again, he doesn't hide the about me on another page. He doesn't put it, at the very bottom. No problem, Luciano. Hope to see an update to your site. Please let me know when you update it. All right, so back on Ben's. This is different. So making a new concept, creating a new concept, for a portfolio site is hard because just like everything in art, everything has been done. There's no originality. Originality comes from your own personal taste, your personal style, where you take something from there, you take something from there, take something from there, and then you mold it into something and you say, hey, that's mine. So yeah. This I've never seen before, though. So I don't know where he got his idea to do this. Maybe it's movie credits or something as it scrolls. But like I would have never thought about doing this. So great job, Ben. All right. So for the overall user experience, I looked at it on my phone and it felt like this space right here was huge. Let's see here. Let's go on phone. No. Let's go there. Yeah, see how huge it feels in this breakpoint? So, I mean, maybe, what is this? Padding. Okay, you're using VH. And so, maybe it has to start somewhere around here. Alright. Yeah. And then as I scroll down, yeah, it fades a little. If you look up here, it's kind of faded out. What if you fade out the whole thing? Like, not just a little bit, but a lot? I don't know. These are just little things to me. But, I mean, the experience is not too bad. You know? I get it. The blue line is very minimalist. And the blue line tells you where you're at. Where you at. But, yeah. Good job. Like, he sent me a DM, and he said someone gave him a feedback. Feels like I'm in a room with the ceiling that's just a little bit too low for me, and the upstairs neighbors are having a party. Yeah. So, I guess that's right. But to me, it just feels different, and it's a nice take on a portfolio site. So I have nothing against this. Again, new concepts is always hard. So good job, Ben. And he's also working on this thing. Where is it? Weblist. So it's a browser extension that lets you create a list of things to learn. So it's pretty cool. Check them out. All right. Someone said they want me to look at something. Hold on. Let me look at the chat room real quick. What are your thoughts on Lappa.ninja? Is this your site? Who said this? Frank. Landing page. Oh, it's a landing page inspiration. Yeah. Lappa.ninja is pretty cool. I mean, I don't know what to say about it. It's just, there's a bunch of different inspiration sites, Dribble, Behance, one page love or something like that. Yeah. Let's see here. All right. Well, this freedom for Dave. Who's Dave? And I hope you found your freedom. Well, this is weird. I just found out about Webflow, then watched some tutorials and found you. Then found Pixel Geek. Turns out to be you. Yes. Hi. Then you found you live streaming. Yes. Love it. Very new to web design, but Webflow made a huge impression on me and inspired to design something. Yes. Welcome to web design. Welcome to Webflow. Yeah, you're in for a never-ending journey, and that's why I love web design, because again, you will meet a lot of friends, you'll find a lot of challenges, you'll find a lot of problems to solve, and you can solve them creatively. And then once you solve those, you'll open new doors to solve other problems. And then, hey, you know what? There's going to be a new piece of technology that you'll have to design for, and it just keeps going and going and going. Okay, I think I've caught up with the comments and everything. Kevin, want to take a look at my super work in progress site? Sure, kevinhag.webflow.io. Okay, last site, and then we'll get to building. Unless you guys want to just make this a review. If you want to make this a review stream, I'm totally down for that. Let's see here. Kevin-Hag. Am I saying your last name right? Hag? The Kevbot. Alright. No, that's not it. What? Kevin-Hag.webflow.io. Hague. Oh, Hague. Okay, cool. I put a comma. There we go. Here we go. Oh. Whoa. Okay, hold on. Whoa. Okay, hold on. Lot to take in. First, the dots threw me off. Okay, the texture threw me off. In a good way. Don't worry. It's obviously texture, and it adds texture. You have an interaction happening with the border. Okay, I'm getting happy. That's okay. And you. Okay. Hold on. You had me. You had me with the border that moves in a subtle way. I love it. You had me. You had me with the huge type, and the colors that you change, the hover colors. You lost me from a user experience point of view. You lost me at the auto scroll down, and I'm not even scrolling on my wheel. I'm just going up and down. I'm just going up and down with my mouse. That's a little bit on the scroll jacky side, even though you're not jacking my scroll wheel from me. Let people scroll. Let them have control over their experience. Okay? I know you want to do something fun, but sometimes you gotta give the people the control. And it doesn't hurt to do a scroll wheel. Okay, and again, these are just my opinions. If you think that you can get more click-through rates with what you're doing right now, then don't listen to me. I'm just another guy on the internet, all right? Okay, but overall, this is sick. I love the gradient down here. How'd you do? Oh, okay, I know how you did that. Wait, how'd you do? I'm gonna have to look. That's cool. Yeah. Okay, let's go to your first. Okay, work in progress. Okay. Damn. Good work so far. Fourth edition of this portfolio site. If so, I think if this is only your fourth, good job. I'm on my 20th. Gradient clipping mask. Ah, there you go. Nice. I like it. I need to use that. Good job. All right. Cool. Anyone else? Freedom. I'd love to see you build, to be honest. I just want to see how fast you go about it in your process. I'm thinking, okay, Freedom for Dave. I'm down with that. Let's go. Closing that out. I click this and I'm done building. Thank you guys so much for coming. No, I'm just kidding. All right. So, last stream, what did we do? We went on the vlogs right here, this page, and we finished up this design using let's see here, using this CMS item. Okay. And I think let me publish it again. And so we built this all the way down to mobile. So a lot of the CMS items, I have to fix them. I gotta redo the thumbnails because it's too much of my face. So I gotta redo the thumbnails, but I'm not gonna do that on stream. This is just basic production work. And then we made it responsive using Flexbox all the way down. That was fun. Is this margin too much? Yeah, the margin's too much. Okay, let me fix this real quick. We'll go 20. Cool. This one, go 20. Right there. Okay. Cool. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, that's cool. And these right here. How about we just 15 instead of 20? Ah, forget it. Leave it there. And that one's good too. Cool. All right. So what's next? So let me go on my site right now, which is probably broken or something like that. I don't know. The next thing I want to do is my rambles. Those are very important to me. My rambles. It's not a blog. It's just my rambling thoughts. So I think I'm going to keep this just box design. And so I'm just going to copy what I have on. I'm just going to do this same box design. And yeah, let's just make the list even on the blog, on the vlog list, make them all the same. Cool. Okay, so let's make those lists. We'll start with rambles and blogs. What do I want to do? Let's create a new one. I'm gonna make this one called old, and the slug is just gonna be old. Save it, and then let's create a new one. I'm gonna call it rambles, and let's build. Okay, blank page. Let's just copy stuff from this one because I want to use the same layout. So we have those three symbols. That's cool. Wrapper is okay. Wrapper has a background image, so I'm just gonna not copy that. Video section is that video list. Okay, yeah, I'll just go back to here. And so yeah, I'm one of those weird people that just goes off the cuff and just builds and designs inside of Webflow, because that's my thing. I don't go into any sketch, Photoshop, or whatever. I just go at it. Is that wrong? So I'm dragging in my symbols right now. And these are just my navbar stuff. So, yeah. So I can do this. Nope. Oh, because my body needs to have child page body. There we go. Okay, so I have this. Okay, it's hot in here. There we go. Hopefully you don't hear the fan. But, okay, so we have my child page body, my 3 nav menu symbols. Go at it. And there we go. Cool. I think I need to add it. Do I need contact? No. People just contact me here. We're fine. Alright. So now I need the wrapper. So let's drag in a div block, section or div block. They're both the same. I mean, you can even change it here in the settings to section. It's all up to you. I like to use divs. This one is be wrapper. Is it child wrapper? Nope, it's wrapper. Okay. Ugh. Do I have a video row? Okay. Am I using child wrapper somewhere else? If so, oh well. Okay, so child wrapper. I don't need a child wrapper. Sorry. Let me make a hero. In my head, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a hero row with this title, and then I'm going to have a bunch of my collection list. But inside of the child hero is going to be a background image. Okay, so let's make this height 70 VH. VH stands for viewport height. We're going to set this to flex, and we're going to let's vertically align it to the bottom because I wanted to do something like I have already on the homepage of my work in progress, which looks like this, just for reference. I want to throw it to the bottom like this. Okay, so I don't want it in the very center. Okay, let's do it. Right here, let's get a background image. Do I have my space? Nope, I don't. Let's add a background image. Rambles hero. The reason why I'm doing this is because I want to set a background image with Earth or something. Where is it? Hold on. Downloads. Where's Earth? There you go. This one, this one. Which one was the small one? Small version. I think. Oh, that one. Cool. Yes. This is us. That's home. Let's add a. There you go. So it's kind of like Luciano's. Actually, let's not do that. Let's do gradient. Okay. So yeah, it's like Luciano's thing. Do that. Go black. Let's see here. Let's see. Flip it. Nope. That one. Okay, yeah. I want complete black at the bottom. And then this one. There we go. Because usually when I have deep thoughts, I'm looking into space. So this is why. Hey Nelson, do you know if there's any way to embed Medium into Webflow? Maybe Zapier? Medium? I mean, you can... I don't know if there's an embed code or something. I don't know. I'll look that up later. Good question. Any news on e-commerce? Soon. That's all I can say. Soon. But it's coming. Don't worry. Don't worry. You're going to have fun. And you're going to be like, oh my god, making e-commerce sites is so easy. Why didn't Webflow come out into my life earlier? And you'll be like, oh well. I mean, it's good that like you're knowing about Webflow now before we get e-commerce, because that way you already know how to do the basics of Webflow, and then bringing e-commerce into it, you're like already ahead of the game. Like for people who are just still stuck on other platforms, you know, you'll already be ahead. So learn Webflow now. Don't miss out. All right, let's get this. I want to pull this. So child hero title. Let's do that. Rambles. Okay, so I'm going to put in an H1, and this is going to be child hero title. Boom, right there. Rambles. Rambos. Rambos? Yeah, cool. So it starts at the bottom, so it's kind of like, ooh, cool. Actually, no, diagonal. Boop. And switch. Nope. There you go. And here, let's bring it up more. Right there. Cool. Right there? Yeah? Cool. Cool. Alright. A little bit higher. Something like this. Nope. Don't like. Cool. Like that. Alright. Next. Let's go on the next row. So this is going to be super simple because the next section or whatever is going to be just the list of rambles. Alright? Hey, I love your channel. I was wondering if I can build a website like Bear Grylls' website in Webflow. Yes, you can. Waldo made one. Waldo did that interaction. I think you can search for it. We'll search for it together after I'm done with this page. But yeah, the scroll interaction, you can do things that zoom in just using scale. Just using scale. It's nuts. All right, let's go. After that, let's just do this. List section, okay. And this is going to use the same thing. 165, 75. 165. Yeah, I should have left that. 75, 75. Okay. Cool. And let's just bring in my stuff. So I'm dragging a collection list. If you've never used Webflow before, and this is here's a basic, okay, of how to bring in a collection, aka database, all right, into your website and connect it. All right, there is no while loop, there is no PHP, there is no code that you have to put. You just drag this collection list and say, hey, I want to pull data from my vlogs. Cool, done. Now all my vlogs are here. And now I can style it however I want. And when I style one, it styles them all. So this one, we're going to say flex. Cool. And this one's going to be flex child. I've already set these styles up in the previous page, so it's all good. And I'm done. Look at that. So this section, let's go ahead and put 75 at the top as well. Cool. All right. Let's put a link block, and I forgot what I named it. Let me go back to my other page real quick so I know what styles I'm using. Link block. Oh, I didn't rename this? Bad, Nelson. List link. Cool. Rambles. Oh, let's put this up so I know. I said put this. Oh, I did. There we go. So list link. There. What? I thought list link is supposed to be full. Oh, okay. I'm putting in the image though. So let's go ahead and put an image inside of it. So it's the full width thumbnail. Oh, no. Wrong. I want to pull from not vlogs, rambles. There we go. And so now with image, I can pull the image from the thumbnail. Nice. They're not all the same, so I can't use an inline image. I'm going to have to use a background. All right, that's fine. List link, ramble link. Again, don't come to me to learn how to name class names. Go to Micah's stream or research it better than myself. Yeah. Okay. Full. Let's go ahead and background image, thumbnail. There we go. Let's center this. Set the cover centered. No repeat on the background image. All right. So this one, let's make the height 250. Yeah. 200. Freedom says, I'm so excited. I want to design my own website with some e-commerce. Yeah. Go on it. You do you. All right. So, see what's happening? I'm designing for all of my blog posts, rambles at the same time. And you see it in real time. It's like amazing. Ah! Okay, so we have the box shadow already. Sweet. So let's go ahead and add the gray filter. Grayscale like that. And then let's add the transition timing for filter. All right, 400 milliseconds. We want that slow roasted ham. We need to make it slow, not 200. That's too fast. It's not fast food. And so for the hover, turn off grayscale, and there we go. So what do we have? Boom, right there. Nice. Preview it. Get the full effect. Okay, it's too much data because now I want to bring in the title. So I may have to push it back. Okay, so let's see here. Push it back. So I'm going to do an overlay. So again, there's a thing with Webflow. If you try to put an overlay on a dynamic element, you're going to break it. So it's best to just set the parent element to relative and then just put a div block inside, and we'll call it link list overlay, and make this full on position absolute. So now it's on top, and then you do this thing. Okay, and so what I can do is let's do this. Go 70. Yeah, okay. And so when I hover over this will go to, yeah, it will go transparent, complete, like that. And let's go back to the none state and set the transition to background color. Oh, wait, want 400, not 200. There you go. And so now it does exactly what I didn't want. Let's fix that. Maybe it's because I use solid color instead of background. So let's remove this. Ugh. Okay, right there. I think I did 70. We'll go 70 like that. And then on hover, let's remove this. And this one will go like that. Cool. None. Alright, something simple. There we go. That's exactly what I want. Am I the only old person in the chat room right now that knows that one Press Your Luck? That one game show? God. If you're not making sound effects while you're designing, you're doing it wrong. I'm telling you now. Yay, Steven! I'm not the only old one. Alright, I'm going to flex this overlay because right now I'm going to put the name of it. So, Flexbox is what lets you put stuff, like, again, horizontally centered and vertically centered. Actually, let's put it to the left and bottom. Yeah, much better. And then let's go ahead and put some padding up in this. And then let's go ahead and make sure our color of our type is readable. We'll use the blue. Oh, am I doing grayscale? Okay, I think that's cool. No, it's not. No. Let's not do the grayscale on the parent. So list link, ramble. Let's delete that, and on the hover, we'll delete it again, so I don't have it. And let's just set the... Oh. This doesn't work. I need that grayscale. Okay, I'm gonna undo it. Okay, here's what I'm going to do. When I hover over it, the text will go away. And then the eyeball SVG. Do I have that still? Yeah, eyeball SVG will show up as a thing to tell the person, hey, if you click on it, you're gonna read it. Okay? Cool. No whammies. All right, so let's continue on with this. Make it big. So we don't need this cut. Well, make it white at least. Yeah, right there. White smoke. Cool. 25? Nope. Too loud. 18's fine. I always like to put 18 and then the light and height plus 6. I think I learned that from an old coworker. Alright, now I can just pull the name of this ramble. Okay, I like it. Alright, alright, alright. Okay, so let's do this. I'm going to set this to overflow hidden. And so when I hover over this, this guy is going to go down. Actually, let's take this even further. Let's put a black box below the text. Yeah. Okay. So actually, this should be expand all the way. This link overlay is not going to have this or this or this. But this right here is going to have that. Both sides. 2015. And then top and bottom will be 15. Yeah. And then the background of this text box is going to be Ooh. No, you can't because it's grayscale. Cool. 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 Okay. I like it. And so, let's see here. Ramble list title. Ramble list title. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, let's do an interaction. And so what it is basically JavaScript in a visual way. So when I hover over this, on hover, start an animation. And I know it may be going fast for people who haven't seen Webflow, but this is how fast I go faster than this if I'm not talking. So Ramble list hover, actually hover on, and I'm going to click on this, move, and this one is going to move down 100% right there. And that's, let's go ease out Quint, and then it's going to look like that. Cool. And this only is on the class, children, boom, that's, and then on, that's on hover, on out. Am I here? Yeah. Okay, start animation, ramble list, hover out, and I'm just going to take that same one and move it back to its original position, 0%. Ease out Quint for the ease, keep that, and let's check if it worked. Bam! Look at that. So again, if this is your first time looking at Webflow, look what you've been missing out. Get on this. All right. I mean, I've been using Webflow for 5 years, and I still feel like that. You ask any one of our customer success specialists how they feel about Webflow, and they've been using it for years, they still feel like this. All right? Yes, Waldo, and he's playing around with some crazy 3D interactions. He still feels like this. All right? So this is the real deal. All right, let's keep going. I want that eyeball. So I'm going to bring in my eyeball SVG. Where you at? Where you at? Bring him here. Boom. Whoa, that's too big. Let me close out of my interaction real quick. All right, so you, my friend, Eye of the tiger. Name it whatever I want. This is my world. I do what I want. Alright, let's center that. Make it small. And let's see here. Set the opacity to like, so when it shows up, it's gonna be like that. Well, of course, with the text gone. You're 20 years old and you want to nail Webflow and create sites for clients. You're only 20. You are getting in at the right time for web design. Oh my gosh. I remember I was 20 and I was dealing with Internet Explorer 6. And I think, was it 20? No, I had to wait till I was 24? I think 24, 25. We're 26. No. When I was 24, I think that's when Firefox came out. And then it changed the game because Firefox can do rounded corners with CSS and Internet Explorer couldn't. And so you had to make tables for the rounded corners, 3 columns, 1 column for each corner, and then a repeating background for the... man. Back in my day, I had to design for Internet Explorer 6. Oh, yeah. Back in my day. Okay, so what I want to do with this, I want to slide it down, right? But am I still hovering? Okay, good. I just want to make sure that the hover effect happens even if I'm hovering over the eyeball. Oh man, image-based rounded rectangles. Yup, those were the days. Okay, so let's go here. Let's do another interaction, and let's go back here. And I don't have to create a new interaction. I can just take the same interaction and animate any other elements I want on the page. So this one right here, let's press the plus sign, and let's move it. Actually, its initial state, so when the page first loads, where's it going to be? It's going to be on the Y negative 100%. So it's going to be off right there. Okay, and this is going to happen on the class only children. All right, and then when I hover, I'm going to move it down to 0%, and there we go. Check this out. Boom. Oh. Whoops. Why? What did I do? Okay, maybe I have to fix the style of this. But let's just finish out the hover out effect. Move this to negative 100%, and there we go. So, oh, and the easing. That's why it looked weird. Ease out quint, and also with the hover in. I have the tiger. Ease out quint. Okay, almost there. But that eyeball is obnoxiously big. Should I even have eyeball? Thoughts, chat? Thoughts? Thinking I shouldn't have done this in the first place. Or maybe the eyeball can be just opacity. Oh wait, wasn't the opacity set to... Okay. I reckon eyeball fade in on top right on the image. So it doesn't slide, it just fades in. I wouldn't put one. Yeah, I think I'm trying too hard with the eyeball. Delorted. I'm gonna go with that. And I wasted you guys' time with that. But isn't that design? You just keep fiddling until something looks good. And then you're like, okay. Alright, I'm going to keep it simple. Isn't it great design is like when you delete stuff, not when you add stuff? Okay, let's leave it like this. Thank you, Donald. All right. Do I need does that look weird, this whole thing? What did I do on my vlog? That's not the page. I did 100 and then I went down. But I don't want to do 100. And that looks weird, but that's just part of the image that I took off of Unsplash. 90 with a gradient. I know what you mean. 90 with a gradient. And what gradient are you talking about? Are you talking about this guy that I already did? I mean... Going back and forth. 90, 80, 90, 80. 85? 75. I guess 75. Because this is a child page, and this shows you that there's stuff to scroll down to. So... I'm going to go back to 80. Because you still see like a peekaboo, like, hey, there's stuff. Alright. That's my weird process right there. 100 with a gradient. 100? People do scroll down. Oh, okay. What I'm going to do is people go here, Rambles. What the hell's Rambles? And then I can put some sort of subtext, H2, and be like, didn't I do that on my current site? Or that was my previous site? Yeah, it's my previous. Rambles, I just left it there. Do I have my old stuff? I think I deleted it already. Wait, I think I... Why did I press back? Alright, let me go to an old project. Go to my dashboard, and I have, like... Where are you at? You have a lot of projects. Right here. Yeah, I have this thing. How old am I? Because I forget now. So it's just JavaScript doing math, telling me how old I am. So how old am I? Webflow.io. I'm 36. Thank you. Yeah, that's me. Alright, so this is an old site. Rambles. That's it? I went all the way back to this just for that? Okay, fine. I'll just copy this. Jeez. Put an H2 for SEO purposes. H2. Paste that. Make this vertical. So I can get at the bottom right there. Sweet. These need to go higher. So let's fix this. Child hero title. Static page. Oh my god, yeah. I hate myself for these class names. I'll fix them later. Cool. Oh, now I know why. I'm like, how come I have to do -20? It's because this... Because this has a top of 20. There it goes. Child Hero H2. Remove that guy. There we go. And let's make this light. And white smoke. Nope. Nope. There we go. Cool. 26. Hey. 26. Okay. That works. Alright. Next. Yeah, that's cool. I don't know if I should do a background video or not. Since I'm doing a full 100, maybe this needs to go up higher. That'll never align to this perfectly. But I'm just doing it anyway for my screen. Yeah. Let's fix this real quick. Right there. Cool. Much more like smooth. All right. Keep going. So this is done. This is done. This is done. Cool. Let's make this responsive. All right. For the people who are just seeing Webflow for the first time, this will blow your mind. I'm doing responsive design because I feel like it. And it's really simple. I'm already designing for this breakpoint right here. You only get 4 breakpoints. All right. And for the people who are like, but I want to make my own, but if you make your own custom breakpoints, then you're adding more and more code that the browser has to sift through and understand. And the more code, the longer it takes for your site to load. And so we force you to only have 4 breakpoints. So use more fluid units. Like this one, I'm using VW, viewport width. And this one I use viewport width again. So I'm going to start with like 5 VW. 5 VW. And then there we go, 2. So this one, let's see, 2 or 2.5. And so watch this. Responsive type. See? Boom. More fluid. Hello from France, Pierre. What's up? What time is it in France? Okay. So that's that. How are we doing here? Doing good? Doing good. Actually, if we can lessen. Oops. We can make this smaller. No. Something like this. Okay, fixing the paddings up a bit. So yeah, I'm just styling for this breakpoint and lower. Mm, 25. Make these smaller. Say 50. Boom, bada bing. Oh, if you noticed, how come these are 4 columns and then you go here and it's 2 columns? It's because right here, my flex child basis is at 50. If I go here, or at 25. All right, so if I play around with this. All right. Again, if you're in the chat room and first time looking at Webflow, I'm sorry for your mind. You're going to have to pick up those pieces off the floor and then put some bandage because it'll always be blown when you're playing with Webflow. All right, here we go. Okay, so this we don't have. It hurts. I'm sorry. I'm actually sorry, not sorry. This one needs to go up higher because I have a. There we go. Cool, 95. This one doesn't need to be as high, so we can go 25. What just happened? I didn't do that. 25. There we go. All right, this one right here. Let's go over. All right, so when it comes to mobile portrait and mobile landscape, this is mobile landscape. I do not use VH. I use straight pixels because you'll never know how tall a screen is. And so if you're doing responsive viewport height, it'll mess up your design. Okay, things might overlap or just stuff will be out of place. So you have full control of the style. And who browses the web and landscape? Come on. but still. Set it to pixels. Alright, and then this guy, he needs to be bigger. Let's do, yeah, that's good. It's good right there. Cool. 6:34 a.m. Man, well, I hope you're enjoying your morning coffee. Let's push it back down. But then again, people, when they come in here on landscape, they're probably, their screen's probably going to be like cut right here. So it's like, they'll probably be like, what am I looking at? So that makes me think I can't do this design. Doesn't make sense for a mobile landscape. So I'm going to push it to the top. And remove this. Let's put that to 0. And this one, we're going to push it down. And there we go. There we go. Now it makes me think, like, do I really need 500? That's some whole space of just nothing. 350. I think I'm getting it. I'm gonna go here, and then on the linear gradient, throw it away. Should I even? How about this? Yeah, the linear gradients. Cool. That's cute. Done with that. All right, last breakpoint. That's really small. We can bump this up even more now. Yeah, that's good. It's really small. Let's fix that. And let's just make sure that the width is like 50%, so we have a break. Okay, there. Just 2-line break. 3? But no, I have a widow now. Yeah, right there. Cool. Leave it. Yes. Cool. One thing about Webflow that's not mind-blowing is that we don't have pagination yet. So you're just going to have a long scroll of fun. But we're working on it. Coming soon. Okay? And it comes up in help tickets. It comes up in the forums, Twitter, and all that stuff. Why don't you have pagination? We're working on it. It's not as easy as you think, because Webflow is a very very unique tool, as you can see. Am I standing? Yes, I am. I'm on a stand-up desk. Okay. I think we're done. So if I just press publish, it's already live on my preview link. So everyone, once you start on Webflow, you get a free subdomain of webflow.io, so you can test your stuff out. So let me go ahead and link my Rambles right now on the nav bar. So let me go here. Nope, not you. Let's go to my big nav menu. And I can't see it right now, but let me just go here. Rambles is the last one. So it's the last one. Just go like this. Set it to Rambles. Publish. Oh, I need to do it on the small one too. Rambles. Publish. Wait for it. Freedom. If this is your first time seeing Webflow, if you're going to stop watching, please go to university.webflow.com and start there. Start watching those videos. They're hilarious, and you'll learn a ton about Webflow. All right? Don't just go into Webflow. Learn it first, and then go ham. Why is it ham? Why do kids say ham? Anyways, let's go here. Rambles. There it is. It's already done. If I click on it, it's going to look weird because it's my old... Oh, I don't even have it linked. You know what? Let's go ahead and do that Ramble page. Wrong site. Let's go ahead and do that Ramble page real quick. Should be fast. Let me just take this child hero right here. Gonna copy it. Go to my Rambles template. And so this is my old one. I'm gonna delete it. Boom, gone. Paste it. I'm gonna take this and I'm going to pull the name of the Ramble. Oh, that widow. So that's the thing about responsive design, man. Or web design. Yeah. Oh, the word it. It hurts. It hurts so much. Let me add another combo class. Ramble. Post. So that way I can put a background image. Main page? Where's my thumbnail? Oh, okay. Main image, I think. And then let's delete that. Delete that. I'm gonna need to have an overlay. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to fix that. Okay. HAM is acronym for hard as a mofo. Oh, today I learned. I need to tweet that and pretend I'm not old. Go ham. It took me a while to understand what lit meant. My nephew, 15, 16, how old is he? He's 14 or 15 or something like that. And he was like, "That uncle, that's so lit. You're so steezy." And I'm like, what? Please teach me. I need to understand these things. Is lit a bad thing? like no, it's hot. It's like fire. Oh, okay. That's pretty cool. Like this. Cool. All right, so that's done. Let's go ahead and copy. Go back to Rambles. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this list section and go to my Rambles. I'm going to paste it into the body. And check this out. Check this out. Oh my God, check this out. Again, if you're new here, I'm going to click on this. And so this one is We're All Born Creative, right? So that one is... Actually, let me show you You're Weird. Where is it? You're Weird. Okay, cool. So... this blog post is for You're Weird. And so if I go like this, go to my settings, I'm going to say, hey, if the current Ramble, if this page is the current Ramble, you know, if it's not the current Ramble, so show me all the things that is not this current Ramble. Save, and now that one is gone. Now, if I go to question everything, watch this. Question everything is gone. Because why do I need another link to that same page? So, pretty cool. Let's do a sort order. So this is basically the SQL. I remember that. I used to code ASP back in the day because I wanted things to work, and I'm mainly a designer, so I forced myself to learn this kind of stuff. MySQL, MS Access I would use. So yeah, so I'm going to sort order is newest to oldest on publish. And there we go. So I just did SQL query thing without even coding. Oh, I need to fix that here on the Rambles too. Let's fix the filter or sort order, which is published or not updated, published on newest to oldest, save, done. Okay, going back on Rambles. All right, so this part is going to be super simple. All I'm going to do is just drag in this div block, and maybe I just use list section. Let's see. List section, is it what I need? Let's drag in a container, and let's put some rich text and pull my Ramble. And how come I can't See, is it the color of the... Oh, yeah, it's the color of the font. Alright, let's fix this. List section. Am I going to affect this one? Hope not. Let's see here. List section. Cool. There it is. Super simple. I pulled in my blog post. So if I go another blog post, right there. I feel like it's too wide though. Okay, I know. Let me make the type bigger. So here we go. Let's just get let's get this. So ramble text. Oh, I already have the thing? Well, I'm changing you. You're gonna be this. You're gonna be wait. Remove. So it's the default. There we go. Rubik. Yeah, let's go medium. And we're going to go big with this. 10 VW. Oh, I can't do like that because this is... Okay, so here's a weird thing, and we're updating this too. If I want to update the styles of this, because inside of here, they're just paragraph blocks inside of this rich text block. So you have to go a roundabout way to do styles for this. Okay, so here we go. I show you. All right. So I'm just gonna go to any other page. Let me go projects because I don't have any projects right now. I mean, I do. It's just that I need to make case studies. I'm gonna bring in rich text, and this one's gonna be called Ramble text. Nope. Ugh. Ramble text. Okay, so this is just a static. This is static page. Okay. The purple one is a dynamic page. That's how it's the shell, and I can put data inside. Okay. So this, see, this is a paragraph. This is H4. So I need to style these right here. So when nested inside of Ramble text, it's not Montserrat. No, come back. It's Rubik, medium, that color. And now if I do 10 VW, there we go. It looks all crazy. Okay. Ugh. 2 is fine. 2.5. No. Cool. And again, the reason why I use VW is because, look at that. It fits no matter what. Okay, so now when I go back to my purple page, my dynamic collection page, and I go here, there we go. Okay, so now I have a block quote, so I gotta style that too. On the other page, see, it's kind of weird. Where did I go? Oh, projects. So now I have to go here and double click, type in some stuff, highlight it, block quote. And so you see how this block quote is that blue? I don't want that. What's the difference between VW and Vmax? I'm thinking Vmax is like the same thing as the min and max of width and heights of the display setting. Yeah. Good question. No. Yeah. Cool. I'll leave it like that. Rubik, medium. And if I'm using 10, how about 12 VW? And then 13 VW. That's intense. What did I use for this? 2. Why did I think... Okay, well... Let's just do one bigger. Like that. And let's see what it looks like here. That's cool. I should push it down on the... Nope. I should push it down right here. Go back to it. And there we go. Okay, cool. Last thing I need is link. Or should I leave the links like that? That's a good color. Yeah, I'm leaving it. I think this is super readable now. Yeah. That'll work. And then the video works too. Cool. So all I have to do is, let's take this Ramble post and put an overlay on top. So we got to do that trick again. Let's do it here. Child hero overlay. Absolute, all, and that way I can give it a background. And let's do this, flip it. Nope. Something like that. And then for the white, make it black. Let's go 50. Nope. So this picture right here was taken from last year's Webflow retreat, and yeah, this company is so loving because they want to help designers do more stuff. And you know how they say companies, the culture starts from the top, and the three co-founders, you can just tell by every interaction with them how much they care about the Webflow community, how much they care about the design community, and just how much they care about humans in general, you know. And I can't say enough about not only this platform, but what the company is trying to do. It's trying to, you know, empower humans. And that's my thing too. I love empowering humans. Okay, little side story here. I learned HTML back when I was like in 7th grade, when my friend showed me this AOL member page, and I was like blown away. And then I started to teach myself HTML using GeoCities, how I would do the basic wizard thing that they had, and then I would go into advanced mode and see, okay, if I did that in basic, it did this in code. All right, so I can put 2 and 2 together. P means paragraph, B means bold, etc., etc. And then next thing you know, I fell in love with HTML so hard, and I wanted to find a group of people who loved HTML too, but I couldn't. In high school, I couldn't find these people. So I decided, you know what? I'm going to empower people to see this new thing I found. It's like I'm a little kid. I'm like, hey, I found a new toy. You want to play with it? You know, here, play with it. And I couldn't find those people. So in 10th grade, I actually took over my computer class for a whole week, and I asked my teacher, and she said, go for it. I taught my computer class HTML. I was writing HTML on the board, and I was so excited to teach people this. Fast forward, what is it? What was that, 16 years old? So yeah, fast forward 30 years, and I'm doing the exact same thing. And so thank you guys so much for being on this stream, or even watching for 1 minute or 30, whatever. Thank you guys so much, because this has been a dream of mine for so long. And I hope you're feeling empowered to do crazy stuff, because I hope that you also teach the next generation crazier things, and we just keep growing and growing together. Ethan, what is up, my friend? Thank you for coming back. We're almost done here. But yeah, I just need to make this responsive and we're good to go. So I'm on it. Your story is amazing. Thanks for sharing. Thank you. No. Thank you for being here. And this is why I wrote this blog, because I'm like, when I went to the retreat and I was just, geez, man. Each year at the retreat, when we leave, I cry because it's just it's too much in my heart. And all right, last thing I want to say is that the reason why I love showing people Webflow is because there is no way I can package the happiness and the empowerment that I feel using this tool. There's no way for me to package it in a physical manner and give it to everyone I meet and say, hey, take this and be happy. I can't do that. I wish I could. So the next best thing is to say, hey, check this tool out and try it for yourself. If you need any help, I will be with you. I will answer your emails. I will answer your DMs, whatever. I want to help you find this thing that I found. Okay? So that's about it. That's real heart right there. So, okay. Now that's being said, I think this is good. Let's go here. Oh, that's really small. Okay, see? Now I need to fix this. That's too big. But yet on the other Ramble, it wasn't oh, it's because my max is 45. Alright, let's fix that max. Let's say 75. And go here. Cool. That's good. That's good. Okay, that's cool. Alright, but here it's really small, so I gotta go back to projects and then fix this. It's too small. Yes, been doing Google Hangouts, showing basics of Webflow to friends. And doesn't it feel good? I mean, when you show someone something and then they're like, what? I can do things without code and I'm not constrained by code? But you kind of are, because you need to know the HTML and CSS. But yeah. Cool. Like that. Now I can go back. Actually, wait. I can go here. Cool. Now let's go back to... Nope. Rambles. Nope. The purple one. Oh! Okay. No, we're not done. What did I do? Okay, so this one is... What's happening? Oh, Child Hero. Here we go. So this is 100 VH. This one right here is 350. Everyone say hi to Jessica. Pierre, coming from motion design, I feel like After Effects when doing it. I feel like using After Effects when doing interactions. Yes. Well, see, After Effects, you have keyframes. With Webflow, it's not really keyframes. So, and you have a horizontal timeline, which is really nice. In Webflow, it's vertical, as you saw. So it's different. Okay, Child Hero. 350. I think this is gonna have to be auto, or this has to be smaller. Yeah, this has to be smaller. There you go. And then this right here, we're not setting it a set pixel size. Let's fix it. Rambles here. We're not setting it to a set pixel size. We're going to set it to auto. And we're just going to... But we're set the min to 350. Minimum 350. But it's going to be pushed taller if there's more text in it. Okay? So, let's see. Let me find something that's huge. Oh, wait. I had another thing, too. It's down here. Hold on. This guy needs to be under. Let's fix these. z-index1. Okay, and so I can't touch the other one because this one needs to be z-index1 as well. There we go. All right. Let's push that down a bit. Oh man, this needs a max. 75 VW. Nope, smaller. We'll go 50. Cool. That doesn't have an intro? Okay, that works. Okay. Going down. Feeling good. Feeling good. 95. Nope. 85. Right there. Cool. Does it need to be that big? Cool. Oh, Windows. Whatever. Go right here. This one doesn't need to be that big. Yeah. Feeling good on a Wednesday. Sparkling thoughts. If you don't know who Jessica is, she's this weirdo that I have to live with. I have to. And I want to, but I have to. Alright, that's good. Let's move this here. Get this out of the way. Required. I'm required to live with her. Required by law. Because I said I do. Alright, that's good. That's good. Okay. Oh, that's really small. Let's fix that. Oh, and there's lists items. Okay, okay. There's still a little bit things I need to do, but we can finish them up right now. Really simple. Yeah, like that. This guy right here. Cool. And we need to make a list item. So to do that, I go press enter, press the plus button, add a list item, and there we go. Press escape, so I'm out of the rich text block. Click it again, and there we go. Nelson needs new thumbnails, I think. Thumbnails for what? For my ramble? No, for my vlogs. Yes, I do. For my videos. Okay, this is the last thing. This last thing right here. If I'm using VW for that, I'm using VW for that. So 5 and 7.5. So that should be the same thing. 5 and 7.5. Let's see what it looks like. Rambles. I think, was it the baby one? Children will always... Nope. Nope. Which one was it? I think Hard to Be a Mom has... No, there we go. Yeah, okay, cool. That works. I think we're done. Let's publish and look at it. Made by Jessica. Are you gonna put watermarks all over my thumbnails? Alright, let's see here. Rambles. Cool. Ooh, there's a flash of unstyled text. Alright. Let's go here. I need to make them click. Let me go back. List link. Set it to go to current ramble. Publish. Okay. I think that's it. If this works, that'll be the stream. So I guess making a dynamic blog post page thing. There it is. And I can't scroll. Why? Why? Why is this? Oh, okay. Remove. That's not right. Why is it still... That's probably a Webflow glitch. Let's see. Yeah, Webflow glitch. Oh, and I need my... Okay. New body. I need the background. I'll change all these names later. What's the color? Let me remove that. What am I using on the other stuff? Rambles. There we go. Oh, I'm using child page body. And that's the one with the background? Yeah, okay, cool. Rambles, body, child page, body. There we go. Publish. Let me scroll. Yes, yes, you will. Again, if you want to see the... Let me put the link in the chat room. If you want to see what I'm doing, pxlgk/WIP, work in progress. That's just a redirect to this crazy string of letters and numbers. But when you get to the home page, just click on Rambles. That's what we worked on today. And then click on something. There you go. Enjoy. Not done. This needs a click. There we go. Current ramble. Publish. Come on. Okay, there we go. You should make your pull quotes the aqua color. You should make your aqua color the pull quotes. Alright, I'll do it. Right there. Right there. Aquafina. Publish. And see how fast you can make changes? Super simple. Let's see here. Do I have a quote here? I don't. Let's go with that one. And the interaction didn't really work out on this one. So I may have to... What? Man, when you think you're done, and then you're so close, and then it doesn't work because you forgot something. Okay. And then hover out is... Ugh. There we go. So I need to reset this and delete. How come I can't delete this one? Is this a Webflow bug or not? I don't know. Okay. You're on a huge screen and YouTube videos aren't showing up correctly. Huh. Okay, this works now. Okay. Huh? They're showing. That works. On the live link. Not sure what you're talking about. And that home needs to go to the home page. Yeah, so we're done. Hopefully you guys learned something. Or at least had fun watching this build. And if you're watching the recording of this, please, 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 leave a comment below and let me know what you think about it. If you have a topic or something that you want to check out, if you have a topic that you want me to like, or something to build, you want me to build something, go for it. Leave a comment below and let me know what's up. Or even tell me about your day. I don't care. But yeah, thank you guys so much. Let's do this like that, and I gotta play some music to send us out. Ooh, Satellite Love. I think that's. There we go. Cool. As always, thank you so much for hanging out with me. It means so much that you guys would even do this out of your own time, out of your own day. Love the support, and I hope that you're learning something new or finding this very interesting. Please tell a friend. If you haven't already subscribed, please smash that subscribe button, tickle that bell, and hit me up on Twitter, twitter.com/thepixelgeek. And I think that's about it. I stream every other day. I'm trying to do that cadence. If I'm not going to stream, I'll let you know on Twitter. And that's about it. Thank you guys so much. I will see you next time. And as always, make the web beautiful.